Welcome back to the Eat Well Dietitian YouTube channel. My name is Athena. Today I'm going to make roasted broccoli. I am going to use the hazelnut dressing that I made the other day as the coating for my broccoli instead of using oil, and that's how I'm going to roast it. I think this broccoli you could eat as a side dish with your dinner, or if you want to make it into a main dish, you could add garbanzo beans and some more hazelnuts for some extra protein, and then put it over rice for a really nice main dish. If you feel like I've been using hazelnuts in a lot of my recipes, really it's because we farm them and I have them on hand. So any of the recipes I'm making, you can substitute out whatever nut you like or have on hand or is more affordable. All right, let's have broccoli.